Hello everyone, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today I received my parcel from Mushroom, which I ordered like 4 to 5 days ago I guess, and I received it today and I am pretty excited to open this up. So let's unbox it together without wasting any of our further time. Yeah. So I actually ordered two kurtis from them. One was solid color and the other was kind of printed. Yeah. And here they are, and they are looking so good, the same as I ordered. So let's unbox them also. First I'm gonna open up the solid one. Okay, so let's open this up and see its quality, its fabric, its stitching and everything. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to do this. Okay, so it's looking so nice. I am already satisfied with its quality and its everything. And this is what I ordered and this is what I received. There is a slight color difference, but obviously it may occur due to light changing, but okay, it is acceptable. And if you talk about its stitching, its fabric, its quality, everything is perfect, everything is to the point. What I ordered, I received the same. And this is totally recommended from my side. Yeah, because it's amazing. So let's open the next one, which was the printed one, and I am really excited to open this up also. And this is looking amazing. Even its color is also the same as I ordered. In the previous one there was a slight color difference, but in this one there is no color difference. It is exactly same what I ordered, and I am so happy for this one. This is amazing, I would say. Let's open this up and also see its quality, its stitching, and yeah, let's see. Its stitching is amazing, its fabric is same as the previous one, and yeah, I am totally satisfied with my order from Mushroom. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and that is all I wanted to show you all. I hope you like it, and I'll be showing more unboxing videos soon on my YouTube channel. And even I have shared lots of unboxing videos before, and I have been giving honest reviews to you guys all, and I'll be sharing honest reviews for sure. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.